In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mirror your iPhone using an Amazon Firestick on your Skyworth Smart TV. Some of the newer TVs that are coming out have a built-in way of mirror your iPhone to the screen, but not all TVs have this capability. So two ways that I'm going to show you how to mirror your iPhone will work on any model of TV and any year of TV. You just have to have an HDMI connection using a Amazon Fire Stick or any of the Amazon streaming devices. Here are the instructions on this. Okay, so here's a step-by-step instructions on how to mirror anything you got going on your iPhone to your Fire TV right here, or your Fire Stick. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go over to your magnifying glass over here, and then you're going to want to type in A Power Mirror. Okay, and it comes up right here, A Power Mirror, and you should get that icon that's right there. A Power Mirror, go ahead and click on that. Okay, and it'll take you to this screen here, and then you'll go ahead and click OK on your remote control to download it. Okay, once it's installed, go ahead and click open, and it'll take you to this screen here. You have to allow access of A Power Mirror to access your photos, media, and files on your device. So just go ahead and click on allow. All right, so now once you get to this screen here to mirror your phone, we're going to go to the second tab right here where it says phone screen mirroring, and then click on that. It'll take you to this QR code over here on the left. All you want to do is just open up the picture taking app on your iPhone, and then go over and scan it, and then as soon as you scan it, up here at the top, it'll have the QR code reader. So you just tap on that, and it'll automatically take you to your iPhone, so that way you can download the A Power Mirroring Screen app. So click on it to download it. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and click open. Alright, and now I ask you a question. A Power Mirror would like to find and connect devices on your local network. You want to click OK because both of these have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Alright, so it's asking for network permission and location permission. Just go ahead and click on continue, and then allow while using app. So there it goes, and now it's recognizing Wi-Fi connection. Next thing we want to do is click on that middle button where it says mirror, and now it's searching for your Wi-Fi network, and then it's got an icon here that says A Power Mirror. Okay, next what you want to do is swipe down on the top right corner of your iPhone just like this. It'll bring up all these different options, and then right there in the middle you'll see where it says screen mirroring. You'll tap on that. As you can see right here at the very top, it's got A Power Soft, and that is what is powering or talking with the app that you just downloaded on your Fire Stick. So then you just click on that, it'll load up, and as you can see, we are now mirroring directly to the TV. So I'll give you guys a quick little test of how this works. Oh, also, if you do want to stop mirroring, you'll just swipe down the bottom or the top right and click on that stop mirroring button right there. But let's go ahead and play something from my camera roll. We'll play a video that I recorded. Okay, here's a test video that I recorded with my dog. And it's playing directly from my phone right to the TV, just like that. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.